Hi, I'm Ray Salisbury. I'm a photographer and writer based in Nelson, New Zealand. I've been shooting wild landscapes for over 40 years and tramping just as long. Now part of Kaharingi National Park, the Mount Arthur Tableland is my favourite corner of the country. My forefathers first found gold here and grazed sheep on this high tussock plateau in the latter part of the 19th century. In fact, the tableland is layered with human history. Men tried to change this remote wilderness, but it was really the wilderness that changed them. Men like Max Polglase, Snow Mayers, the Chaffees, the Brereton's, and the Salisburys who first found this land uplifted high they called the tableland. In their footsteps came tourists, trampers, campers, bishops, hunters, bushmen and cavers. This is their story, retold in modern language, from their journals and from books long out of print. You can help make this history come back to life.